guys, welcome to another video of this tutorial. So in this video we'll see the Moodle architectural components, what all we have. So the first thing you'll see the Moodle code. Okay, so this will be the base code, and it may differ based on the version. Okay, so this is the base code on the first point. Then the you should always try to go with the Moodle latest version. Okay, so currently I am creating a video. So in case of today, we have latest code, that is Moodle 5.2. You see here, Moodle 5.2 is the latest code. And how you will reach there? So first you will visit the website of the Moodle, that is the Moodle org. Then under the download, you'll find from here the top menu. We'll go to download and you will find here on top, download Moodle LMS, the world's largest open source LMS. And you will find here the only the latest version. You can download from here. Now, so Moodle code is part of Moodle release and it may vary based on the Moodle version. Okay, suppose your system is not supporting 5.2 because it has its requirement, the system requirement, but you are not able to match those requirements, then you will go for the lower one. Okay, so this kind of thing will have to adjust between your system support, system requirement, and the Moodle code. Now, so all of the Moodle code is one thing, and then suppose you created a course in a Moodle LMS and you uploaded an image. So where that image is stored? So that image will be stored within Moodle data. Okay, so Moodle data basically you see as a container where all of your file will go inside this. Okay, so all files will go inside this, and database is a place where all the details will be residing. So RDMS basic you will be using relational database management system, RDB. Okay, so generally we go for MariaDB, MySQL. Okay, so you have other options there you can go for. If you go to Moodle 5.2, here version release, you'll find all the details because it has the Moodle, each and every version has its own system requirements. Okay, so we'll have to match there. Right, so Moodle has three components: Moodle data, Moodle code, and database.